Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I hope you liked our previous video and get more information from us. Today the topic of our video is enhancing data collection and analysis, exploring the potential of Qualtrics online survey platform. You know that I make a slide for you that you can easily understand about the topic. Now I open it, and here is the first page of our slide. Here we mention the name of our topic: enhancing data collection analysis, exploring the potential of Qualtrics online survey platform. Now go to the next slide. Introduction. Welcome to the presentation on the enhancing data collection and analysis using Qualtrics online survey platform. This session will explore the potential of Qualtrics in revolutionizing data gathering and analysis. Get ready to delve into the world of advanced survey tools and techniques. Now go to the next slide. Importance of data collection. Effective data collection is crucial for informed decision making. It enables organizations to gain valuable insights and drive strategic initiatives. With the rise of digital platforms, the need for efficient and reliable data collection methods has become more pronounced. Now go to the next slide. Challenges in traditional surveys. Traditional surveys methods often face challenges such as low response rates, limited customization, and time-consuming data analysis. These limitations hinder the ability to gather comprehensive and actionable insights. Now go to the next slide. Introduction to Qualtrics. Qualtrics is a leading online survey platform that offers an array of advanced features for efficient data collection and analysis. It provides robust customization options, real-time reporting, and seamless integration with data analysis tools. Now go to the next slide. Advanced survey features. Qualtrics offer advanced features such as branching logic, embedded data, and randomization. These capabilities enable researchers to design complex surveys and gather diverse data sets with ease. Now go to the next slide. Data analysis capabilities. The platform's robust data analysis capabilities empower users to gain actionable insights from survey responses. It allows for in-depth statistical analysis, text analytics, and real-time dashboards, enabling informed decision making. Now go to the next slide. Enhancing survey engagement. Qualtrics offer features like gamification, mobile optimization, and personalized content to enhance survey engagement. These elements are essential for increasing response rates and ensuring data accuracy. Now go to the next slide. Integration and collaboration. The platform seamlessly integrates with various CRM system analytics tools, facilities calibration, and streamlines the data collection and analysis. Now go to the next slide. Future of data collection. As organizations continue to prioritize data collection driven decision making, the role of advanced survey platform like Qualtrics will become increasingly pivotal. The future holds immense potential for leveraging technology together. Now go to the next slide. Conclusion. And the last one is, in conclusion, Qualtrics offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing data collection and analysis. It is advanced feature, robust data analysis capabilities, and seamless integration pave the way for informed decision making and its strategy insight. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.